Good morning. Let's talk about our page. We have a page in Organization and Management, and it's called Kuratura Organization and Management, Grade 11, GAS, Students Only. This page is very important because this serves as our bulletin board. Anong nilalaman nito? Mahalaga ang laman nito dahil meron dalawang important na sangkap or ingredient. First is the lectures and announcements. As you can see, meron Q1, week 1. Ibig sabihin, lecture yan for the whole week 1. As discussed, we only have 7 weeks for this grading. So, until week 4 na naka-upload yung lectures, so mababrowse yun na kung ano ang mga gagawin for the 4 weeks. Kaya kahit walang pasok, ay alam nyo na kung anong expectation ng subject. In any case, pag absent ka, makakahabol ka kasi alam mo kung ano yung tinuro ko for the week. Second important thing is yung link kung saan kayo nag-upload ng mga files ninyo or assignments pag sinabi ko. Kasi usually ginagawa natin lahat ng activity sa room, pero there are times like ganito, walang pasok, ina-upload natin sa Drive for output. Okay? Anong itsura nito pag clinic nyo yung Google Form sign in? Yun sa taas. Yan. Ganito ang lalabas. Pupunta siya sa Google Forms. At nakikita niyo yung Google Forms. Click nyo lang yung email and then you add file. Yan. Pag clinic yung add file, siyempre pupunta siya sa browsing section ng form. Click browse. Pupunta siya sa upload window. Piliin mo yung file na i-upload mo. At mag-upload siya. Hintayin na ma-upload ng maayos at ganito yung lalabas. Yan, nakita nyo may isang file. Siyempre, sa mga kaklase niya walang internet, pwede nyo rin siyang pag-upload. Kaya pwede ka pang mag-add file hanggang 10. And, don't forget, pag nag-upload kayo ng file, it doesn't matter kung ano yung name ng file. Ang mahalaga, mayroong pangalan yung mismo file name. I mean, file output, like Jotham Ausia 12 patients, para alam ko kanino ko i-grade yung output. Mahalaga yun, kasi kung walang name, hindi ako mag-base sa file name o kaya yung nag-send ng email kasi baka nagpa-upload yung kaklase kasi walang internet, so mag-base ako yung pangalan na nasa loob ng document. Okay? If I'm going too fast, pause the video and just repeat it. So pag nandyan na yung mga files na na-upload nyo, you click submit. Click yung submit. Yan. Meron siyang reply. Your response has been recorded. Submit another response. That's it. So napas na sa drive ko, yung mga output na pwede ko nang check. Okay? Makaka-receive din kayo ng email na nakapag-pass kayo para receive nyo yan. Halimbawa, hindi ko nakita, hindi ko na-record kasi siyempre masyadong madami nag-pass. Pwede sabihin, sir, nag-pass ako, ito yung email. And we're good. Mahahanap siya. Have a nice day. Hope you understand our page, the importance of our page, and the files that are inside the page. So, thank you. That ends session 1, part 1. Read the next topic. Stay safe and love learning.